One of the major sectors where the metaverse is going to have a huge impact is gaming, where people can engage in ways they never have before in a competitive game arena. They can have an immersive experience. Instead of focusing on a flat screen, they can adapt to the environment around them. It's not similar to being there, but it could be the next greatest thing. The metaverse is intended to captivate users and give them the impression that they are truly in the reality they have entered. But what does this really mean for the future of gaming? Will this new virtual world be any different from what gamers already experience from the likes of Fortnite and other similar titles? Hello everyone and welcome back to the Metaverse Economy channel. In this video, I will focus on how the metaverse will reinvent the future of gaming and what gamers can expect from a metaverse-powered gaming universe. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to catch more videos like this. The metaverse is a virtual world, or we can say the virtual universe, where people can do many things which they do in real life. Users would be able to work, enjoy, exercise, socialize, and do a bunch of other things. In Metaverse, users can set up their business, purchase lands, create some art, and join concerts in the virtual environment. The Metaverse uses virtual reality and augmented reality technology for creating virtual spaces where users can live like real life. The Metaverse could be the next place where you want to spend time, meet your friends, or earn some money. You could purchase clothes for your avatar and gain an amazing experience with digital art in the virtual world. Non-fungible tokens are the primary medium of transaction. But what does this mean for gaming? In the gaming industry, the metaverse is not a newly coined term. Few gamers are regularly using this term more or less in their gaming experience. The online free-to-play battle royale can be seen as the metaverse prototype. The gaming industry has shifted from the traditional version to the new world digital avatars and transactions powered by NFT or cryptocurrency. NFT gaming solutions are breaking the boundaries of the digital world, where gamers can own the virtual stuff and can rent out or lease them for specific cryptocurrencies. Powered by blockchain, in Metaverse, users need cryptocurrency for transactions and whenever they receive rewards. Before the advent of blockchain-powered games, players were much into multiplayer games. However, blockchain has significantly changed the face of online games. Its use cases like NFT and cryptocurrencies amaze players with features like tokenization of gaming items and the facility to trade them to earn money in cryptos. Depending on the specific rules of the games, players can either sell their assets or collect them until they yield rewards from the platform. People with an inclination towards real money games and crypto spaces are the ones who hailed the popularity of NFT games worldwide. Besides the yield, such games became prevalent due to the high-quality visual representation of real-life objects and impressive graphics. The recent evolution in the gaming industry has brought along the metaverse games. Players are entering into the realm of metaverse to experience next-level gaming. While metaverse can either be centralized or decentralized, gaming companies focus more on decentralized projects since the future is decentralized. Metaverse games are based on the play-to-earn concept that allows players to win virtual gaming items and sell them to earn real-world money. Characters in the metaverse games are regulated through players' unique avatars, the virtual representation of real identities. These characters live in metaverse exactly how people live in the real world. Players can invite their social media friends, interact with other players inside the metaverse, and collaborate to enjoy the games together. Since Metaverse leverages technologies AR and VR to create a more organic experience, players feel a lifelike experience exactly how they feel in the real world. In addition, Metaverse gaming platforms are interoperable, allowing players to move their gaming items from one space to another without any major change. The lockdown during the pandemic made people realize the power of the gaming industry. With the lockdown came a lot of boredom. On the plus side, people realized the potential in the gaming industry. The crypto play-to-earn games Axie and Alienwood reported an increase in the number of users. Axie reported 250,000 active daily players and 90,000 Ethereum traded on its marketplace in both NFT and crypto format. NFT gaming development is a win-win opportunity for developers because whatever is transacted in Metaverse is in crypto-based or NFT format. Looking at the future, Sandbox shifted from the original traditional gaming to crypto-enabled gaming. The Game Maker console by Sandbox allows the user to create games from scratch, enjoy games, and buy digital property. Roblox took the efforts further up with its online game creation and gaming platform. Roblox allows the users to create their own world using Metaverse. The company is partnering with big names including Sony, Nerf, and Hot Wheels for creating an immersive universe for connecting the customers. Many other gaming titles exhibit the signatures of a metaverse. Platforms like 1337 PRO showcase an appetite for MMO gaming, with the likes of Call of Duty and World of Warcraft proving incredibly popular. Like Fortnite, World of Warcraft has metaverse characteristics in its DNA. However, World of Warcraft also demonstrates the many barriers that need to be broken down in order for us to fully realize metaverse gaming. Although Blizzard's World of Warcraft offers gamers a fairly persistent world to play in, this world is somewhat limited. For starters, it's a closed system with only registered players with access to software and compatible hardware able to participate. Even then, those able to play the game can engage with every other active player. Currently, there are around 5 million active World of Warcraft players. This is just a fraction of the gaming community as a whole. To accommodate these 5 million players, Blizzard needs to segment the playing community across multiple servers, giving many players the chance to engage with certain virtual worlds and demographics. Metaverse has the potential to revolutionize the way individuals connect with technology and people for various purposes like professional jobs, gaming, trading, regulating legal processes, game streaming, video conferencing, etc. Using the Metaverse, gamers can compete in an immersive environment. They earn by 3D game streaming, minting, and trading the gaming NFT. Cross-platform connectivity will make virtual worlds more accessible and, in turn, far more akin to a true metaverse. Refinements to servers and increased server capacity will also be required. Once the pillars of infrastructure have been taken care of, more complex metaverse attributes can evolve, ushering in a new era of next-generation gaming. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.